One of the best tools you could ever have. And by the way, welcome back to my shop. It's been a while. Haven't posted a video for a while. This project here is one of the reasons for that. And we'll get to the workbench in a minute, which is the ultimate tool for your shop, in my opinion. I'm going to be getting into tool sharpening. So we have what's the name of this thing? 1055 Foley bell saw. It's all sharp. You got a professional chain sharpener, and I have multiple other tools that I'm going to be getting into. But the gentleman that I received this equipment from was a very dear friend of mine, and he passed away a couple of years or a year and a half or so ago, but retired a couple of years ago. And I've always wanted to do this. So he had a friend of his made these benches for him. Now, I am nowhere near complete and ready for this because, but I figured I'd share because all of that is part of it as well in my truck here. So, what I wanted to share with you is this workbench. I had to modify it, and I want to show you how I did that. So, for whatever reason, he only had this bench. I think what was it? It was like 26 inches high. So in order to match the other one, which matching them together, I get my words straight here, I just took a couple of 4x4 pieces, cut them off, joined them together, threw a couple screws in, and I have a couple screws to add, as you can see, because I ran out of some and I was able to get just drywall screws. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and get the bench back in place, and this here will be ready to go. So here we go. So basically here I got lucky and was able to get a box of drywall screws 3-inch long. This bench will be sitting in here out of the weather. So back to my Dewalt tools in like my other video. So this here we got the 1/2-inch Dewalt model DCD 780. So far been pretty good drill. I do have Craftsman C3s yet that are still working, but whoops, if I don't drop it, this here's a pretty easy task for this thing. I think this one's already pre-drilled, but basically here I'm just taking and reinforcing all of this and trying to make the bench continue to be strong from what it was. So then also I did a video on this impact driver. I do have a recommendation out there, and I will do a future video on that battery right there. It's a test that I've been doing, and I will do a future video on that. So, but I'm very happy with the Dewalt impact driver. So again, I've been shooting for, get it in the camera, Made in USA, as close as I can get anyway. And these 3-inch screws are pretty well, if I get it on right, push over. The other one is, this is the Hercules tip, Phillips head tip from Harbor Freight. Giving them a try as well, because I couldn't get Dewalt's. I also can't find any of them made in USA, and if I was to guess, we'll close the box up with the screws, because I do believe just about all fasteners let's see, packaged in the USA using parts manufactured in one or more of the following countries: China, USA, Canada, Taiwan, Korea, or Vietnam. Well, maybe there's some in there from USA. Support made in USA, everybody. I think it's going to support us all in the long run. But anyway, basically just going to run a couple more screws in here on each side, finish this up. see, this driver works pretty good. If I want to keep doing that, and I have to say, this one is wore. I have used that tip for a long period of time. So let me finish this up and then we'll get it in place. Alright, that's pretty well where I'm going to have it. I'll push the other one down and get it tight against. I think in this video here also, we're getting the bench in place. Looks pretty good. I'll take you along as I get this area of my shop ready for starting to do sharpening. I'll take you along with it. But we'll get this bench vise mounted. There's some holes here that kind of match. I'm going to try and reuse them. We'll drill some out here in front, and we'll see how it works out, being in the middle here. So, here we go. Our drill bit in here. Take and do a mark so we know where we're going here. Our holes in the back. Stuck one bolt down in. The other one's in here. I do believe I'm missing a bolt. Alright, till I got some more bolts and all, and found some washers, or bolts I had. I was missing a nut, needed some big washers, because when you're installing a bench vise like this, you tend to, you know, work on it pretty good and stuff like that. So now we'll get her installed here. Some lock washers on the bottom and nuts, keep it tight. And this thing here will last a really long time. I think this is going to be a really good spot for it, and we'll get her tightened down there. don't think my gun will fit on it because it's too... So like I said, I still have some tools from Craftsman C3 that still work. Hopefully you can... see that. Put some really heavy washers down underneath. I'll show you. And you got, there's the two in the front, and then down here, right by the post, which is where I like to be, just gives a lot more stability. So, all right, that's about it for this video tonight. So, thanks for watching. Sorry for the delay in posting videos. Been kind of very busy, as you can see, but we'll be getting back in the swing of things and posting hopefully at least a video a week. So thanks for watching. This is GMEC. Like, subscribe, and thank you for the lot of subscribers I got. I'm up to 178 at the top of my head, and thank you very much for that. Keep it coming, and I hope you enjoy. If you don't, hey, everybody's entitled to their opinion. And if you don't like being here, create your own YouTube channel. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. And remember, keep on wrenching.